Hello, in this section, we will introduce reading data from a file using the scanner class. We have used the scanner class to read data from the keyboard. System.in represents the keyboard. So this is what we did to create a new scanner for input from the keyboard. Now you're going to change this argument to a file. Is new scanner, new file, and with the file name, you will create an input to get the data from the file. So this is the scanner class, creating the scanner object from a file or from a string. So here is a difference here. Now, the first one is from a physical file. The second one is you create a scanner is to processing the string literal. So here is literally the string. You're going to get the text from the string. You're going to read from the string. This is to read from data from a file. So here's the close. And has next, so we're going to read more. If there's next, so this next, next byte, next short, next in, next long, next float, next double. Use delimit. By default, the delimiter is white space. You can use a different delimiter. Now, this one here, next line, is the line-based input. So all the others, next line, next byte, next short, and next int. So these are all the token based. So the delimiter is you have the white space. So this one, next line, is the line based. The delimiter is end of line. So here's the example. Let's use this animation now.
The program starts the execution from the main method. The statement creates a file object named file for scores.txt. Check your understanding. If the file does not exist, will this statement create a scanner object? Enter yes or no.
Now, if the file does not exist, this will through exception. It's a file not a found exception. So that is covered here through exception. So you can have this more specific. It's a file not a found exception. So this is right here. I just used the super type exception here. So this is no. So if the file does not exist, and this statement will not create the scanner object for this file.
You are correct. No scanner object will be created and a file not found exception will be thrown. Assume the file exists. The statement creates a scanner object for reading data from the file. The red colored character in the file indicates the file pointer where a new read starts.
So you're going to start reading from here, the first one, J.
The loop continuation condition is checked. It is true. The loop body will be executed.
Has next, yes.
The statement reads John from the file to first name.
So it's
the
separate.
File pointer is moved to T.
Separated by a white space character here.
The statement reads T from the file to me. The file pointer is moved to S. The statement reads Smith from the file to first name. The file pointer is moved to 9. The statement reads 90 from the file to score. The file pointer is moved to E.
So this was read next int, so that's 90.
The statement displays the output to the console.
So this is what you read. And this is the console output. And so please note that this is the file reading from scores.txt.
The loop continuation condition is checked. It is true. The loop body will be executed. The statement reads Eric from the file to first name. The file pointer is moved to K. The statement reads K from the file to me. The file pointer is moved to J. The statement reads Jones from the file to first name. The file pointer is moved to 8. The statement reads 85 from the file to score. The file pointer is moved to the end of the file.
So this is the end of file now.
The statement displays the output to the console.
And now when you go back to the while loop, has next returns false.
The loop continuation condition is checked. It is false. The loop is finished. The statement closes the file.
Now we close the file to release all the resource for the file object. So please note that we write this without using the try with resource. If we use try resource, we don't have to use input.close. So we can rewrite the code. So this is the code. You can look at it. We use the try with resource. Scanner is put right here. So we create this file object. So this is to use the resource. At the end, you don't have to close it. It automatically closed. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next video.